Hey guys, this is Murky again. Today I will be installing my brand new LED lights on my 2011 Honda Fit. It's pretty easy. I'm doing it on the right side because the left side is a little bit harder for some reason. So these are it right here, and let's get to it. All right, so what you want to do first is get this disconnected real quick. So you just yank it out. All right, sorry for the pause. I had to go get some gloves because this is pretty dirty for some reason. So yank it out. Connector looks like this. What you want to do next is take off the boot, which looks like this. It's just a plastic boot that covers the connector in there. And what you want to do is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but all right, sorry about that. My thing turned off, but if you can see that little here, talking about this thing right here, that on that side, you just push it in and it comes right off. You'll see right now if I can find it. See, it's this little bottom piece that is plugged into that, and you just push it in, and then when you push it in, you pull it up, and then it just comes off. After that, your bulb is exposed, and all you have to do is take it out. This is what the OEM looks like right here. And yeah, all right guys, I got my LED light, and I'm making sure that the plug goes in this way where it matches the way you plug in the cable. So you just, 1 second, it's kind of hard to, here I think it's better like this, I'm not so sure, but kind of hard to record like this. It's a little freaking space, and you have to match. 1 second, I'm trying to look through the camera as well. Okay, let's see it now. Yep, it's right there. So you see that it has all the fittings there, and then all you have to do, oops, that's why this little cable thing is really important to hold it down. Once again, you just clip that little thing on there, and it holds your bulb in place and it won't go away. So yep, that's all you have to do. Just click that back on, and it holds your bulb in place. Basically, after that, all you have to do is, all right, let me focus that. Put your little boot back on. Make sure that this little thing, well, the middle part, goes inside those, the connection. It should be going in the middle of it. 1 second. Just like that. The only thing that is exposed is the back part of the bulb, and all you have to do is get your connector again and plug it. I'm sorry guys, I had to go I had to stop the recording because I had to fix this real quick because it wasn't in that right, it wasn't in right, but now it should be good. And once you do that, you have to go turn on your headlights and make sure that it's working properly. Now all you have to do is turn on your headlights, and as we check in there, you know that the bulb is working and that it's lighting up, so we're good to go. Plus check out my little decals. Let me know what you guys think.